Hey guys, I'm Cindy from Tinkle and welcome to Tinkle South Africa's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making friendship bracelets. This is a perfect gift idea for your friend or best friend for the up and coming International Friendship Day. Anyways, let's get into this video. So first you have to get your strings. These are the strings that I picked out. I love the colors. And then get some tape. Doesn't have to be a big ball of tape like this, just any type of tape. And then you have your three strings. These are the colors that I picked. I picked white, pink, and a lighter pink. The first thing that you're going to do is tie a big knot so that the three strings do not separate, just keeping the strings together. And then you're going to cut a little piece of tape. So next, you're going to stick your string on a flat surface. So I used my desk. So I'm going to stick the strings on top of my desk using this tape. Now it is time to braid. So if you don't know how to braid, I'll explain it to you. I'll try to explain. So you basically work from right to left. So whatever string is on the right, you take that string and you put it in the middle. Then you take whatever string is on your left, you put it in the middle. Then you just kind of do the same thing until it creates a sequence, until it creates a braid. As you can see, there is a clip that I've slowed down so you can see a little bit more clear if you can't tell what I'm doing. There you go. See, from right to left, right to left. When you get to the end of the string, you want to tie another knot just to secure your braid, to make sure your braid does not unravel. This is the outcome of my braid slash friendship bracelet. Then just try it on, and obviously there will be some excess strings or like strings that you don't need. You can always cut that off. I did like so. You can tie it in a bow to make it look more prettier than mine, because mine seems a bit bland at the back, but there you go. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for doing this tutorial with me step by step. I wish I could ask you guys for some pictures because I would love to see how your bracelets turned out. But what you can do is tell me what colors you used. I love pink. I'm a pink girly. So, pink and white makes sense for me. So let me know what colors you used and if you enjoyed this video and if you'd like for me to do these types of videos more often. Thank you again for tuning in. Please head over to our website for more learning resources, and I'll see you guys in our next video.